If you've ever wanted to quickly check how much you've earned on itch.io, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're tracking game sales, donations, or payouts from your projects, finding your earnings in itch.io is actually very simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one creator profile. After that, look at the top of the page and click on Dashboard. This will take you into your Creator Control panel, where you can manage your projects, sales, and account activity. Inside the dashboard, look for the Earnings section and click on it. This is where itch.io keeps the financial information related to your account, so this is the main place you want to be if you're checking income. Once you're in the Earnings area, you'll see options related to your money activity. From there, click on Payments or Payouts, depending on what you want to review. Payments will usually show incoming transactions and money received, while Payouts can help you check what has been sent out or processed. If you're trying to understand your total earnings, this section gives you the information you need in one place. You can use it to keep track of your revenue, monitor trends over time, and make sure your sales and payouts are showing correctly. It's also a great habit to review this regularly so you always know how your projects are performing. And that's it. You've now learned how to view the earnings in itch.io in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.